Hello guys, this is TFN, the Sesotho addresser, and I'm back with video number 4. On the first video, we dealt with the greetings. On the second video, we went into details. On the third video, we went into even more details. Now, we are moving right along. But before we do that, please smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to know. So, let's move. I am living. Ke a tsamaya. I am living. Ke a tsamaya. I am living. Ke a phela. I am living. Ke a phela. We are talking. Re a bua. We are talking. Re a bua. You are talking. O a bua. You are talking. O a bua. Thank you very much. Ke leboha haholo. Thank you very much. Ke leboha haholo. Mr. Mohlomphehi. Mr. Mohlomphehi. Father Ntate. Father Ntate. Mother Mme. Mother Mme. A house Ntlo. A house Ntlo. Street Mila. Street Mila. Ground Lepoko. Ground Lepoko. Soccer bolo ya maoto. Soccer bolo ya maoto. Thinking ho nahana. Thinking ho nahana. Coughing ho hohlola. Coughing ho hohlola. Sneezing ho timula. Sneezing ho timula. Swimming ho sesa. Swimming ho sesa. Drowning ho nwela. Drowning ho nwela. Scammed ho utswetswa. Scammed ho utswetswa. Being robbed ho utswetswa. Being robbed ho utswetswa. Grass jwang o bohlwa. Jwang o bohlwa o mohlwa. Days of the week: Monday, Mantaha. Tuesday, Labobedi. Wednesday, Laboraro. Thursday, Labone. Friday, Labohlano. Saturday, Moqebelo. Saturday, Moqebelo. Sunday, Sontaha. Sunday, Sontaha. Months of the year: Pherekgong, Hlakola, Hlakubele, Mmesa, Motsheanong, Phupjane, Phup, Phato, Loetse, Mphalane, Pudungwana, Tshitwe. YouTube family, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really did, please smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first one to know. So